full name is Ziko Zindraan, and I graduated from the Pontianak State Polytechnic in 2024. And professionally, I'm in the Accounting Diploma 4.
Okay, so what experience do you have?
To be honest, I have no experience working professionally, but I have a good understanding and I like financial accounting and general ledger.
Okay, Ziko, what accounting application do often you use?
I have a good comment for accounting application such as Excel, Microsoft Office, which I might be able to apply to this company.
I see. So what do you think this company has anything to do with your career?
I think there is, in terms of the company, this is related to the finance, which I also needed to find into.
So what do you think we should follow?
I think I am a dedicated person. I can also work under high pressure and can handle tight deadlines.
Okay, I like you. You can answer.
I want to look for new opportunities and develop my skill in finance.
Okay, we will send the whole proposal to you in 3 days.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Ziko. Thank you. Hello, welcome. Thank you for your taking the time to meet us.
Good morning. It's a pleasure to be here.
Okay, could you please elaborate on your education and working experience?
Previous role at a manufacturing company primarily involved preparing financial statements and reconciliations.
I see you have experience working as an accountant in another institution. So what was your decision to transition to a finance staff position?
No significant issues with my previous work environment. My decision to switch was due to family relocation.
Okay, your previous role was as an accounting staff, but now you apply for finance staff. Could you explain your knowledge about this position?
Finance staff are primarily responsible for analyzing and interpreting financial data to inform business performance.
Our responsibility of a finance staff. Can you elaborate further on the role of a finance staff?
Absolutely. In addition to financial analysis, finance staff also handle tasks such as preparing financial statements, managing cash flow, and reconciling bank accounts.
Of the finance staff is quite hard and complex. So what motivated you to apply for this position?
I've always been drawn to the financial sector. I see this finance staff as an opportunity to continue learning and developing my skill in this field.
Glad to hear about your passion for the field. So Mr. Liu, what solely chose you for this position?
I am a highly disciplined and detail-oriented individual. My previous experience in meeting deadlines has equipped me to work efficiently and organized.
Okay, we appreciate your confidence, Mr. Liu. We will send you the result via email in 3 days.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Mr. Liu. Nice to meet you.